Alright, Whaatwaa family, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy, Mr. Whaatwaa, and I got Koso Sadiddy. Who we got over here? Famous
Mother Becca.
We got Famous Becca in this thing. Hey, listen, we are about to make some Flamin' Hot
Cheetos chicken.
Flamin' Hot Cheetos chicken. Oh my god.
Okay, so we gotta get the red hot sauce.
We gotta get the...
Do we need the big one or the small one?
The big one. Definitely need the big one. Definitely need the big one.
Alright.
We about to make a lot of chicken. we about to make a lot of chicken. Yo, Koso.
Niggas ain't fooling me.
Ooh.
Look at my boy Swag. Swag. Hey, hey. She got the frozen chicken wing select. That's what you want over?
Already done for you.
It's already done.
Cut and everything.
So they got what?
Legs and wings.
That's what she said.
Next how? Where we going?
Let's go to the toy.
You want to go to the toy section?
Yeah, man.
To
It's
do
Christmas
what?
time.
Oh, it's Christmas time.
I'm gonna get me a wrestling belt for Christmas. We at Wally World too. You know somebody baby mama in there. Anybody will ever want to see me on this? It's WWE.
All right, Becca. So let us know what's going on. What's the ingredients? Everything we got from Walmart.
Okay, so we got 4 bags of Flamin' Hot Cheetos, the big red hot blue cheese in case your mouth get hot. We got a big old bag of chicken.
Big old bag.
Okay, we got wings and legs. Make sure we get our big thing of oil to fry.
You gotta have the oil.
2 bowls, 1 for the chicken and 1 for the powder.
Oh, okay.
And of course we need the aluminum foil so it don't stick.
10-4. Oh, we ready.
Oh, we ready.
All right, let's get it popping. Let's go. Let's get it. Sheesh. All right, Whaatwaa family, we back, man. We about to get it started right now. Here we got Koso Sadiddy.
Yo.
Famous Becca in the building. Famous Becca is gonna be cooking. She's gonna be making everything that we're gonna be eating tonight. And what's on the menu?
We are going to be making
Whoop.
Flamin' Hot Cheetos chicken!
Yes, indeed. All right, let's get started. 4
bags of Flamin' Hot Cheetos. We got the biggest bag of chicken. We got the seasoning.
So what kind of seasoning you got? What, like
got
garlic powder?
Lemon powder, cayenne pepper. We got onion powder and ginger. We got the blue cheese to dip it in. The Frank's Red Hot, the big bottle. We got some canola oil.
Canola oil. About to get it popping.
They're right.
All right, so we about to get it into it, man. This is the Flamin' Hot Cheetos chicken. It's gonna be fried, right?
Fried and baked.
Fried and... Hold on, let me.
I'm drinking water already.
Let me come over here. You hold on. You said it's gonna be what?
Fried and baked.
Fried and baked. Oh yeah, we about to get it popping. Let's go.
Let's water already. I'm so nervous now. I'm drinking water already.
First, what we gotta do is, wash your hands. Baby, don't take you first with no do.
This is blood that.
Get it! Pa, pa, da, da, da.
Gotta open up that big old bag of cheese. You gonna pour the whole thing in there? Oh, you ain't playing. Oh, we is eating.
Chicken time,
But I think I want mostly legs. We're gonna rinse it, especially to unthaw it. Just need to go ahead and heat up our oil. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start adding. I'm gonna first add some ginger.
It's hot. Make it hot. Bro, you say you can what? Shee. There we go.
Next, we got some garlic.
I feel like Snoop Dogg with Martha Stewart.
Martha Stewart, bruh. Martha Stewart, bruh, she be whip.
She whips.
She be whip.
She whipped like the dope man in '86.
Yes. Oh my. There we go. Give it. Ooh wee. Ooh. Boy, y'all see Becca with that wrist game? That whip. Yeah. If you need something to open, man, Coso Rico Sadiddy gonna be right here.
Gotta put these lemon pepper on my wings.
Huh?
Next, we're gonna add some cayenne pepper.
Know what your life like.
True. Oh, you was seasoning this.
Alright, and now that we're back, we seasoned all the chicken. Our grease is hot. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna scoop them and then lay them in. So it's smarter that way, so you don't burn yourself.
You ain't trying to do it like grandma and mama the old way, drop the grease in that.
Oh. Man, you gotta be careful with that grease now. Hold up. Let me come over there. Hold up. Hold on. Oh! That chicken over there just frying, Oh, it's frying. Listen to that. Y'all know what I'm talking about. All the people that love food, y'all know when y'all hear this sound, y'all know it's going down. Southern style. Ooh, more chicken. Ooh, wee. Hold on, man. We got Coso Sadiddy, man. Coso Sadiddy about to...
I'm about to stay out of it, but it...
Huh, take the tongs, bro.
So now, while that's finishing cooking in the grease, we're gonna go ahead and blend our hot cheese. We got to put some in the blender. We're gonna add a little bit of it at a time. Now we're gonna pour it into the bowl. That's not enough, so we gotta keep going.
Getting that powder right. Straight whip. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, that thing looking good clump. Woo. That's that. The same way you would use like flour. That's our flour right there.
Man, this feels so good. Ooh. This was cool, man. Alright, that's it. We gotta go ahead and get that chicken rolling. To scoop that out. And remember, the chicken is not all the way cooked right now. It's majority cooked. But it's gotta bake, and that's what's really gonna get it.
Ooh, wait. That chicken about to be good.
And we're gonna use this for the Frank's Red Hot. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up while we got our hot chicken. Alright. That's gonna take too long. We're gonna take the top off.
Take the top off. Ooh, wait. Take the top off. Drippy. Drippy. It's hot. I put that on everything. Oh, you don't use the whole bottle. Rico.
Hey, you take the heat.
He ready to eat.
So this is how we gonna do it. You gotta get your hot chicken. And you gonna, but you wanna make sure you do this. You're gonna put it in there.
You got the oh, okay. Ooh, wee.
So now,
Boy, that chicken in there, I don't even know where it's at. That chicken disappeared. Where the chicken wing at?
now what we're gonna do is go ahead and get a pan, aluminum foil that we bought from Walmart. Rico, you wanna assist me in opening this?
Yes, I'm ready to eat.
Rico said he ready to eat. He like, yeah, I'll help you with anything. Whatever you need help
Go ahead
with.
and do another one while he opening it.
And dip it in the sauce. Oh, right there. And oh my gosh, that looks so good.
Here you go.
Take your time, Becca. We got famous Becca in the building. You know what I'm saying? Koso Sadiddy in the building. Koso Sadiddy dropping a music video. Exclusive. It's exclusive.
Download the album's out better.
Exclusive.
Okay, now we got it.
Koso Sadiddy.
Koso Sadiddy better than small. The album out right now. Man.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna go ahead and put the chicken on the pan.
Boy, something smelling good. I don't know. Ooh. My nose is over here just like, something smelling good. Flaming hot Cheetos. Woo-wee. This is about to be good. Oh my God, we got the flaming hot Cheetos. Flaming hot Cheeto wings.
Got sauce, baby.
Sauce.
I got sauce, baby. I got sauce.
Skirt.
All the haters on my body, wipe it out.
Whoop.
The haters on my body, wipe it out.
Man, you already know we happy, man. We over here singing. We over here rapping and singing, man.
I'm ready to eat. Okay,
Ready to get it poppin'. Get it on and poppin'. Flaming hot Cheetos.
second pan.
So now we're gonna go ahead. Don't touch.
That's not good.
Now we're gonna go ahead and put this in the oven for 12 minutes.
Put in the oven for 12 minutes.
Yes.
Oh, you made 2 pans of that thing. Oh, you wasn't playing. Famous Becca was not playing. Hold on, we got somebody at the door, bruh. Rico. Somebody done smelt the chicken. Who coming?
Police officer.
Oh, we got JD in the building. Hey, we got the Cuzzo. What's going on,
I already know.
She over here, she made some flaming hot Cheeto wings.
Oh, shit. You trying to have me fire there? It was flaming hot Cheetos over something else. I forgot what it was.
She made the flaming hot Cheeto wings.
Are you vlogging?
Of course.
Put on this wolf mask. Ooh.
Oh.
Cause it's the wolf pack.
I might need to borrow this and wear it to school one day. Teach you to
Bro, they gonna suspend you. They gonna be like, hold on, we got a real wolf in the building? Oh my gosh.
Wow, that actually turned out like how it did.
Wow, yeah. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, this is gonna be hot.
Oh, this is real. Oh, this is real. Oh, and it smells good.
Give me like 2 drumsticks. And I got to run through them. And then before it can sit in my mouth, I need 2 drumsticks and it can settle in.
What was that face you did back to the chicken? What was that face?
Oh my God! Golly, golly.
Get on the ground and we gonna go like this and we just
No.
So I'm gonna go.
This mom.
Alright.
Tongues.
Oh, you already know we got the water.
Oh my God. Bro, JD, you got a bib on, bro. You got a bib? Bro, you got a bib on, bro. He's like, bro, I'm getting ready.
My shirt, old school.
Alright,
Word.
go.
Superstitious.
baby.
Right there.
That go bitch.
This chicken finna
Never know how much you gonna need.
Chicken finna be superstitious. Finna be superstitious.
Baby.
We'll go ahead.
Superstitious.
Bring this on. What we can after?
Superstitious.
Riding on the fall.
Riding on the wall.
I've been singing that song whenever I watch Supernatural.
I forgot that, yeah.
You want drums?
Yeah.
Family superstition.
One drum.
I want whatever you put on my plate. It don't even matter.
I don't really want a drum.
If you can put me some wings, though, I want 2 wings.
You said I want food.
If you ask me, I want wings.
Oh, shit.
I'm finna have some fun. Finna eat some hot chicken.
Gee.
We gotta eat all 3.
What?
All 3. No, you gotta eat all 3 of them.
Are you serious?
Got some blue cheese
I'm
and
serious.
some
But are you serious?
shit.
All three. Boy, these wings hot.
Baby, we about to get it going.
All right, everybody got so everybody introduce yourselves. Who we got?
I'm
All right.
Keyshawn, JD's nephew. I'm the best out here, you know.
Jeez.
I'm JD, I'm the uncle. I hope I make it to see the next day.
Famous Becca in the house, yo.
Oh man, cause us a daddy.
And right now, man, it's your boy, Mr. Whaatwaa. I'm about to get my seat real quick, and we are going to try this. Make sure everybody in the frame, I gotta scoot over, hold on. All right, yeah, everybody in the frame. Yo, this about to be super hot.
Hey, remember people die every day, B? People die
We
every
gonna
day.
die, y'all. We is going to die. Okay, we
Get this shit up.
No, I just want everybody. I'm gonna try mine, but this is the first.
No, we gotta try it together.
Oh man, this gonna hurt.
She was not letting you know. She was like, nah.
Let's do this, man. Quit dodging the mud.
Just put
It's
it
time
down.
to
Just put
go.
it down over here.
It's time to go, big man. We done waited all this time. That's the main camera right there, man. All right, man. Y'all playing. Look.
All right, man. Y'all ready on this?
No,
Yes.
let's go.
On the count of 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Damn good, though.
It's kind of good.
I'm not even that hot.
It's not that hot.
It's not that hot. How you feel, Koso?
Oh my God. No.
Ooh, boy, here we go. Got everybody.
Don't get me wrong. This shit is hot. You can feel it. It ain't settled in yet.
I know this gonna be hot.
That is really good.
Really
Hey,
good.
boy.
I didn't play no game. You don't play no game.
I won.
Oh.
I won.
Oh, this good.
Yeah, I told you.
I ate all my chicken.
Yo, this is actually good. Flamin' hot Cheeto wings. This is like, this is good for real. like I ain't gonna front. Koso, how did I tell you? Koso.
I ain't said nothing, man.
Alright, yeah, it was pretty good.
Ooh.
Okay.
Becca, how did I taste? Oh, that's smashing.
I need one more.
Super smashing.
Listen, baby. Yes. Damn. It's good. I don't know what.
Woo.
Come on, my head.
Yo, JD, no, there's no sweat coming off your head, bruh.
I feel
It's
it.
not that.
Like hot stuff. I can feel my face when I'm with you. But I love you. But I love you. Oh. I'm not gonna show you that until always the best thing. She told me you'll never be alone. I can feel my face when I'm with you. But I love it. But I love it. But I love it, baby. I love it, baby.
Okay, vocals.
Whoop back.
The seat charger is not here.
I can get wood hair in my hair. And my little stringy bowl.
Yo, this was actually good. Like, surprisingly. This was
Thank you.
great. Becca, you did your thing now. Becca, you did your thing. Oh, wait.
Thank you very much. I know I did my thing.
Uncle Junior, you got some clippers. You can cut my hair myself.
Miles away.
You did your thing.
Nah,
You
maybe.
did your thing. You did your thing. When I say this is good, this is good.
I kind of want to start eating this on a regular.
Right.
But man, it takes too much to make this. It takes too long. You gotta have patience.
Yeah, it is a time-consuming thing.
But all good things are time consuming.
True. That's very true.
Alright, so that is the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed and loved this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channels. Our YouTube channels will be listed down below, just in case. Just listed down below. Get it, got it, good. All right now, and leaving out with
Nephew.
Oh, peace. You know that's it. And
Nephew.
Peace out.
Y'all already know, man. It's your boy,
See
Mr.
y'all
Whaatwaa. Listen, this is my first time trying hot Cheeto wings. And it's just, whew.
leaving out with famous Becca. Get it, got it, good. All right, y'all, and that's a wrap.
That's a wrap.
We're not sponsored by Hot Cheetos, but if y'all would like to sponsor us, y'all can.
It ain't easy being cheesy.
It ain't easy being cheesy.
It was so good.
I'll be saying
It was really good, though. Like, seriously.
It was good.
That was
Like
really
I said,
good.
man, just think about the seasoning and not the heat.
I would give
and
this
we'll
a
be
5-star
good.
rating. Like, I would eat this again.
But anyways, man, make sure y'all get down in the comment section. Let us know how you feel. Let us know what you think about the video.
And tell us another video y'all want to see us try to attempt to do.
give all the
Yeah.
suggestions. Eat some raw rabbit.
Nah, we
Ew.
ain't.
Like meat rabbit.
Rap is good though.
Oh yeah, you tripping. You're bugging.
Rap is good. Deer's good.
You bugging.
Alligator's good.
Well, these
Shark
some
is
real
good.
shit.
Am I the only one who did not touch my water?
Yeah.
Oh,
Watch me.
Oh, well, I came in here thirsty, so.
Oh well, see, my mouth is not hot.
Mama,
Like hot Cheetos are not hot to me.
yo, if this your first time on the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Join the Whaatwaa family.
This is my first time on the channel. Like, I'm listening.
True.
This is my first time in your channel too.
Hey, we're channel virgins.
Y'all guys see me.
Yes.
Y'all be seeing me all the time. I be tripping.
Victor here's popping channel cherries and shit.
I'm leaving. I'm done.
Yeah, but man, we enjoyed this. So make sure if this is your first time on the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and join the Whaatwaa family. Get down in the comment section. Let us know another suggestion of food y'all want us to eat, and we definitely will eat it.
Wolf out.